I love comic books. They're my favorite way to read. You might already know a little bit about comic books, but I want to make sure that you understand how rich the medium is. It's not just superheroes and explosions, and there's a lot out there that isn't written for children either. Comics cover every genre known. So every week on Thursday, I'm going to post a video of 7 comic books that you can check out through RB Digital using your CAL's library card. That means you can start reading comics for free and explore the genre for yourself. Make sure to check the description to the video for links to how to install RB Digital on your phone or smart device, or how to go to the RB Digital website and create an account today. I recommend everything on this list for teens through adults. I will be making a separate list for comics aimed at children. And without further ado, here are 7 comic books from different genres that you can read today for free through RB Digital. From Hell is the story of Jack the Ripper, perhaps the most infamous man in the annals of murder. Detailing the events leading to the Whitechapel killings and the cover-up that followed, From Hell is a meditation on the mind of a madman whose savagery and violence gave birth to the 20th century. Underwater Welder by Jeff Lemire. Jack Joseph is an underwater welder. With impending fatherhood and his own issues, an encounter with the unknown will leave a lasting impression in a study of one man's past and how it can upset the future. I won't say any more, but this is a very down-to-earth character study with Jeff Lemire's trademark oddness to offset it from the competition. Sense and Sensibility. Alongside incredible artist Sonny Liu, writer Nancy Butler brings to life the world of Eleanor and Marianne Dashwood, 2 daughters without parents or means, forced to experience hardship, romance, and heartbreak, all in the hopes of achieving love and lasting happiness. Fans of Jane Austen should check this one out. Bram Stoker's Dracula. Mike Mignola is one of the most popular comic book artists of the past 30 years, known for several series, but especially Hellboy. This adaptation of Francis Ford Coppola's 1992 movie was the last project he did before Hellboy launched. If you're familiar with the film and his art style, this is a must pick up. Do you remember this band of adventurers? Galaxy Quest: The Journey Continues. The cast of Galaxy Quest has enjoyed a career resurgence since returning from their intergalactic adventure, but this is about to be interrupted by an alien with a surprising grind against Jason Nesmith and the crew of the NSEA Protector. The Black Beetle, Kara Bocek. From the mind of 2012 Eisner Award winner Francesco Francavilla. When a powerful totem of dark magic shows up at the Colt City Natural History Museum, Hitler sends his fearsome werewolf corps to collect the piece. Unfortunately for the Fuhrer, Colt City's protector, the Black Beetle, is on the case. If you're a fan of Indiana Jones, the Green Hornet, or just pulp adventures, this is a must-read. I told myself I wouldn't, but I can't help myself. Marvels by Kurt Busiek and illustrated by Alex Ross. Welcome to New York City. Here, burning figures roam the streets. Men in brightly colored costumes scale the glass and concrete walls, and creatures from space threaten to devour our planet. Witness the birth of the Marvel Universe through the eyes of the proverbial man in the street. Daily Bugle photographer Phil Sheldon. Those are my recommendations for comics this week that you can get through RB Digital using your library card. Make sure to come back next week and I'll have 7 new comic book series and graphic novels that you can check out for free. Make sure to comment below with any other suggestions that you might have of comics that you've read through our digital services. Or just comment below some of your favorite comic series that you've read so that way we can share the love for my favorite medium. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your week.